Hey everyone, in this video we are going to continue with laser engraving your pencil. So the first thing we want to make sure we have open is we want to make sure we have our getting started document and our pencil 1 document open at the same time. Essentially what we're going to be doing in this assignment, or this portion of the assignment, is we're going to be copying and pasting from our old document to our new document. So we're going to go to the old document, the getting started. We're going to come in with our selection tool and we're going to select one of our pencil plans. It doesn't matter which one. After we select it, we are going to do a Control-C, which is a copy to our clipboard. And then from there, we're going to go back to our pencil 1 document. When we get here, we're going to do a Control-V, which is a paste. After we do that paste, we are then going to take our selection tool and click and drag to relocate or move our design. What you're seeing here in this pencil template is that 5/16 tall by 2-inch space. The other part about this is the blue line is kind of that tip top of that hexagonal pencil. So if you want it to be in there before the angle starts going down and away, you can resize to make sure you're fitting in the blue guide. At the same time, I'm just going to move mine down just a subtle bit, and I don't mind a little roll over that blue piece. And then after I get it right where I want it to be and resized, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a save. So I'm going to do a file save. Now, that file is all ready to go and be put into the Dropbox and be screenshotted, but we'll talk about that later. Now, with that being said, the next thing we're going to do is get our second plan ready. So we're going to go up to the File menu. We're going to do an Open. And then from there, we are going to once again click on the pencil template file. And then we're going to open it. It's going to open up as an untitled file. And then right away, we're going to come in and do a File Save As to make sure we rename that the correct thing and make sure it's in the right spot. The file name, once again, is going to be your name. And this one's going to be Pencil 2. And when we get there, we're going to hit Save. Once again, hit OK in the pop-up. After that happens, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go back to that Getting Started document. We are then going to select our other design with the selection tool. Control-C that to get it on the clipboard. Go to our new pencil document, Pencil 2, and do a Control-V to paste it in. After we paste it in, we are going to click and drag to move it and put it in the right spot. And then we can use our cursor keys. Once again, we can resize if it's not quite the resize by clicking and dragging the edges over. Once we get it the right size and we get it where we want it to be, the last thing we need to do is do a file save. Now this file is ready to be put in the Dropbox, and we are also ready to get our screenshots, which we'll be doing in our next video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.